Hi, this is John. We're going to do an unboxing of the Lionel Southern Pacific Atlantic that just came out in last year's catalog. So here we go. There we go. Okay, so here's the engine, and we'll now do some test run on it in a few seconds. We'll set that up. So here we have the engine, the Vanderbilt tender. So we have just a smokestack, headlights, scale dummy coupler, and I purchased the one that has the white rims on the wheels. They also had two other versions, one with the daylight colors and one without the white rims, same color scheme as this. And so I'm going to show you how to use it with the LionChief app, and then we can try it with the legacy system. So I'll turn on the power. There's the whistle, the bell, and it also has a real coupler that you can uncouple.
Out.
Okay, so now I'll show you how to hook up to the legacy system. Okay, we're about ready. We put the program switch on the locomotive on, so I turn the remote on. So you do engine 30 program. I'm going to program as 30. Okay, then we have to turn off the program switch back to run mode. Okay. Here's it backing up. Well, that's a test run of it. We might have another video later on just showing it running some more. So see you next time.